Right, guys, we are here and we are here in the Isle of Man. First YouTube video, and we are going to pick up some litter.
Beach all to ourselves, as usual. You right, Fox?
I am okay.
Good, good.
Guys,
What have you found? Oh, a bit muddy and slippery. Where's the balloon? Oh, there's lots of plastic.
and my sockers. Oh, look at that. What is that? Yeah, what is it? Ugh. Oh my god. So apparently, this is the Isle of Man. Oh, this is the cleanest island ever because we have beach bodies, which cleans it. See, drain. Look at that. Look, oh my disgrace.
What you got, Fox? More plastic, is it? Oh, there's lots here, Fox.
Dad, this is really dangerous.
Yeah. Baby wipe.
We've just got baby wipe. And also we've got some like things over there.
We've got some sanitary towels as well.
Yes, sanitary towels. Nice point, Dad.
There's that purple bit here, look. Oh, it's a peg. Peg. Bit of a crisp packet.
Fanta.
Lid, pop that in. Oh, look, make sure you don't fall out the bag yet. Don't know what that is.
What?
Open the bag up.
Dad, I got some.
Oh, there's goodies up here, look at this. Polystyrene, paper, no, string.
Just to get shampoo.
Shampoo? Look at all that. Fox has just only found a balloon. You get extra bonus point for finding balloons.
What?
Open the bag up, Jet, with two hands.
Points.
Points make prizes.
I got my
See how much we got so far.
Right.
Oh, not the stick, Fox.
I'm
Oh,
not
here we
allowed-
are. Find lots of these. Q-tips.
I'm not allowed. I'm not allowed.
I found
every bit of litter. Do we get 1,000?
There's a big bit of plastic.
Or plastic? Dad, every bit of litter. Do we get 1,000 V-Bucks?
No, you get nothing.
Box. 1,000 Robux. Well, you can't even buy 1,000 Robux.
Hold on, Jet. Open the bag up. There's another towel. See what you got. Oh yeah. Loads of rubbish.
that'd be a 10 likes.
10 likes.
In fact, when I fell down there, just start holding it.
Yeah, I'll pop that in the rubbish for me, will you?
Where's the rubbish?
Up there.
My hands are cold.
There's always one that doesn't help. Open the bag up for me. Open the bag up.
What is that?
I don't know, but it's not supposed to be here, is it? There you go. Ooh. No, bottle, not fossil.
What? Bottle.
A diamond.
I'm making bottle.
Open it up, will you?
That's fine.
Top of a packing at shotgun shell. And a toothbrush. So look. Crazy. Lots of polystyrene. You need, Fox, you needed a new toothbrush, didn't you?
Yeah. But that is that was in sea.
There's a purple bit over there, Fox, a blue bit.
What's that?
Wow.
There, we've gone past it, there by the road.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, there's some plastic up there, I can see.
Oh yeah, that's sticking out the bank. Old piece of plastic this. You get it? Careful, don't spill all over you.
Got it.
Milk bottle.
Here you go, Mum. So, why not hold
No, not your back. You missed one, Diamond. Oh, look at these little bits of polystyrene, they're a pain. Lots of micro polystyrene, isn't there? Ooh.
How can I do that? I'm not sitting that.
Go on, ready, go. Ah! There, we put all our rubbish.
I put in here.
Is that another mini milk bottle?
Yeah, I did found it.
Plastic stick of some sort.
And I also found a big rope.
That's huge.
How much points do I get from that?
5 points for that one. Raise your hand. Oh, that's good, isn't it? Got that bit of rubbish. What else you got? Rope. Put the rope out there. Fishing glove. Yeah. What else you got? I probably had soap in it, I reckon, don't you? Shampoo, maybe?
Soap.
Racing car. We got milk bottle lid.
This stick.
Plastic covered stick. Barrel lid, it looks like. Oh, I think that's from crabbing, to put them over the pinchers so you don't get pinched.
Oh, one of those. And plastic
Water bottle.
And another water bottle.
Yeah, another bottle. What's behind here we got?
Oh, and this.
Oh,
That
yeah,
one.
packing material.
Yeah.
Straws. We know straws are really bad for marine environment. Sweet wrapper. Another bottle.
A coat from a
A
school.
training cone.
Or a coat for a school.
A few sanitary products. Q-tips. It looks like a t-shirt, that, Fox. That's from a fishing net.
T-shirt.
T-shirt. Put t-shirt in the rubbish.
Why?
Drink. Lots of sweet packets.
Yellow.
That's we got a couple more straws, a glow thing, and some more margarine tubs.
Yeah, I found butter
Oh, that another butter
from
one,
Italy.
an Italian butter,
Wait,
and more fish. This is from fishing boats.
and this goes out of date in 2020.
So that's
this
quite
goes
new.
It's out of date in 2018.
Ah, and what's that blue thing you got?
So,
Q-tip.
I got a Q-tip as well.
So there's a lot of toilet products on this beach.
I got dog poo bags.
Dog poo bags, more milk bottles.
Dad,
So we've got a whole. Oh, we got one fish
Dad?
box.